No banana.
Hell nah.
And I'm buff, cuz. What y'all know about it? Bro, stop smoking, cuz. Smoke these cheeks.
What the hell? My boy tripping. AFK.
I got I got them yams, cuz.
You're tripping.
Yeah. You're welcome. Yo, this man smoked too much. Erica Badu son looking motherfucker.
Bro, I'm about to fight these flies. You better stop fucking with me, boy.
I don't want them problems, cuz. No, forget that. That song sucks. Anybody likes this Diddy party.
Boy, you know they made
And
songs together, so you can't say nothing.
Drake's better than Pac and Biggie. Damn,
Both of them
cuz
made
you gonna
songs
cough
together
up.
back in the day when they first came up. You feel me?
Drake's better than Pac and Biggie, cuz.
Nah, you're tripping on that one now. That's a whole entire different generation and everything. You can't say that. Go, go, go,
Thanks for
go,
the hand
go.
heart.
We need
Cause your
help.
heart is in my
We need
head.
help. Oh, bad. This
Let
boy's
me
over here
in.
trying to do some. I don't know what he's on. You feel me? But we're gonna let him do his thing. You feel me? We just trying to get out of here. Oh, bad. Diddy.
Let me in.
Follow you back right now.
All you have to do is let me in. Let me in. Let me in.